The indigenous tribe protection of Karbi Anglong has expressed their strong opposition against the subclause 2.3 of the peace accord pertaining to make 10 seats of the Autonomous Council for open category. This was expressed in a press conference convened at Ulukunchi on Tuesday. The organization based in Ulukunchi under the Amri constituency in West Karbi Anglong district, while expressing their deep resentment, said that they made it clear that they would never accept subclause 2.3 of the peace accord and anything which posed threat to the very existence of the tribal people and the land which is under the 6th schedule. ITPKA President Bhaskar Rongpi said that the subclause 2.3 under peace accord, which was signed between the central and the Karbi underground groups, is the biggest threat to the tribal people of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong. The organization, while demanding for its immediate removal, warned of strong mass agitation if their government fails to fulfill the wishes and demands of their organization.
Actually, nilitum ki puduni bangke indigenous tribe protection of Karbi Anglong song hin pen puduni bangke alang litum isi alang litum bangke la 2.3 peace accord 2021 la so puthak bangke nilitum ITPKA song bangke nilitum chikoi donde alang litum han alang litum isi dak Karbi Anglong bangke implement long le la so jitu 10 seat reservation open for all pu bangke nilitum la bang alang litum han chi don donde athe alang litum da bang la so bang thodet lote litum ke bang chilang arni bangke litum thedung litum Karbi a tribe indigenous atum bang itum isi a problem do itum Karbi Anglong long
tum ITPKA song pen bangke la non 10 seat employment that la bangke nilitum la bang so aron bangke nilitum 6 sidul aron la bangke nilitum ITPKA song men na che song wekji lapen la so bangke niltum long project 6 sidul area long lapen kedam tangarni Himonto Biswa Sharma alangle Assam Chief Minister alangli nungje Karbi Anglong 6 sidul area ke konane along le ahoy along le along same namlong lapen ahem phutum jorwek nangji po alam kipu halabang so long bangke nilitum song pen lage che donun thek the lapen nilitum Karbi Anglong lapen la 6 sidul area ke nilitum phan la ke dobare makhaya tuma phanke hajat penon sitame nilatum tensis apu la sosit amukha bangke niltum ke pekon hekhelo.
Hemari Rongpar's report from Ulukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live. Come one, come all to the 3rd Inter-Church Football Tournament, come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Etpo Taro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440.